Clinic is a private practice located in the Lower Potrero neighborhood. We are both from Hearing and Speech Services collaborating together to bring assessment and treatment of hearing, speech, language, and auditory processing for both children and adults.
At Sound, we celebrate communication. We are the city's first private speech, language, and hearing clinic. We provide comprehensive services under one roof, so a patient is provided with a very holistic approach to their hearing, speech, and language care.
Here at Sound Speech and Hearing Clinic, we created an open space allowing for collaboration, not only of just the two professions here, but also of the families, allowing them to be in on every session, allowing them to be part of the treatment plan, and allowing them to be part of learning as we go through each of our sessions together. I work with both children and adults, doing both assessment and treatment of speech, language, voice, auditory processing.
As an audiologist, I work with patients of all ages to determine their hearing and auditory processing abilities. I provide assessment and treatment for any patient who presents a concern about their hearing. I see patients who have had a lifelong hearing loss or a newly identified one. I also guide patients through the selection of products and technologies that can protect, improve, or enhance those abilities.
Speech and hearing should go together because the two systems are interconnected. So if you aren't able to hear something, you aren't able to then understand, and you aren't able to then express it. So starting with the youngest patients we see, newborns for the hearing side, coming in making sure that they're having access to that sound right away. And as you go through the ages, if you have a hearing loss or an auditory processing disorder, that can greatly impact your speech or language. And for adults, understanding when you're older, if you're not hearing correctly, you may be missing out on conversation, following directions. So the two go very much hand in hand.
I think that in our field of communication sciences and disorders, we have become so specialized that we often forget to even communicate and talk with each other. So it's very special to me that in our practice, we have this opportunity daily to bring together the best of speech, language, and hearing for complete comprehensive care for our patients.
We're a team that cares. We go beyond just the assessment and treatment. We contact other medical professionals, schools, workplaces, other people within the community, making sure that the treatment that's happening here and their sessions is carrying over to real life and the situations in which you encounter every day. We can't wait to meet you. Feel free to visit us online at www.soundshc.com or give us a call at 415-580-7604.